In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find reviews on Fresha, providing you with a complete guide for 2025. Whether you're a regular user seeking reassurance about a service or someone new who wants to explore options, knowing how to access and read reviews can make your choices smarter and more satisfying. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Fresha. You can easily access it through your smartphone by using the Fresha app, available on both iOS and Android. Alternatively, you can use your computer and visit their website at w.fresha.com. Simply log in if you already have an account or open the app to get started right away. Next up, it's time to search for a service or provider that you're interested in. You can use the search bar within the platform to find exactly what you need. Type in the specific service. Maybe you're looking for a haircut, a relaxing massage, or a refreshing manicure. Don't forget to enter your location, as this will help Fresha find nearby providers for you to consider. Once you've got your search results, take your time browsing through and tap or click on a business profile that catches your eye. Now that you're looking at a business profile, scroll down until you reach the review section. This is where you'll find invaluable feedback from previous clients. Take note of the star ratings. They can be shown overall for the business or broken down by specific services if available. Pay close attention to any written comments provided by past customers. These often hold personal insights and will list out the date of the review, giving you context on how recent that feedback might be. It's beneficial to read through multiple reviews so you can gather a balanced view of the service quality offered by the provider. If available, try filtering or sorting through the reviews to find feedback that's most relevant to you. Some profiles allow for filtering by the highest rating, the most recent feedback, or even specific service types. This can streamline the process and help you quickly get to the comments that matter most to your decision. Additionally, don't just rely on written words. Some clients upload pictures showcasing the results of their services, providing you with a visual sense of what to expect. Do take note of any responses from the business itself. Professional and engaged replies to reviews signify a business that values its customer relationships. Also, remember to check the total number of reviews. Generally, a larger volume of reviews can provide you with a clearer, more rounded understanding of the service quality. In conclusion, using Fresha to find reviews is a straightforward process that can empower you to make informed choices with confidence. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to tapping into the power of Fresha's review system.